1. The focal length setting of the 3D marking machine, and the model position setting in the 3D software. This is a 3D laser marking machine with 110 multiplied by 110 millimeters. First, we need to adjust the height to 220 millimeters. Make the dual red light focus on the working platform. At this time, the marking format is 110 multiplied by 110 millimeters. The curved surface processing height range is 0 to 40 millimeters. Next, we will learn how to adjust focus and set the software in two situations. The workpiece maximum diameter is less than 40 millimeters, within the marking compensation range of the curved surface. The workpiece maximum diameter is more than 40 millimeters, beyond the marking compensation range of the curved surface. The workpiece maximum diameter is less than 40 millimeters. Measure workpiece diameter. 30.4 millimeters less than 40 millimeters, within the compensation range. No need to change focal length. Open software. Switch to 3D view. Create model. Select cylinder. Set the diameter to 30.4, consistent with the workpiece. Press and hold Alt plus left mouse button to adjust the viewing angle. First, place the model on the working plane, Z equals 0. Then set the Z-axis to 30.4 and apply. Keep model setting height, Z-axis, consistent with the actual workpiece. The workpiece maximum diameter is more than 40 millimeters. When the workpiece is out of 40 millimeters, can see the marking area is not within the marking compensation range of the curved surface. We need to readjust the focal length. Measure the workpiece diameter is 79 millimeters, beyond the compensation range. 79 minus 40 equals 39 millimeters. Move the focal length to 39 millimeters on the basis of 220 millimeters. Make sure the compensation area can cover the marking area. Set the model placement position in corresponding software, switch 3D mode, and import the model. Center the model. Adjust the model placement direction to be consistent with the actual placement direction. Set the Z-axis to 40. Make the marking compensation position in the software the same as the workpiece. At this time, the corresponding software location setting is correct. 2. Workpiece placement. The placement of the workpiece must be consistent with that in the software. Level with work platform. Can be fixed with fixed bar or custom fixtures.